Hello guys, welcome back to the my HTML tutorial. This is session 2. In the previous session we learned basic about HTML, what is HTML and what is the basic syntax of the HTML, what is the advantage of HTML and what is the purpose of the learning HTML, what is the role of HTML in the web development. Okay, this is the session 2. In this session we'll learn HTML elements and attributes. HTML element is used to define your contents. Like if you want to write something, then you should use any HTML element. Inside that you can write your content. An HTML element is defined as a start tag with content and the end tag. As this is the basic structure of an HTML element. It must be from the start tag, and in between your content will be there, and then after tag must be closed. Okay, the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. This is the basic example of the an HTML element, that is h1. This is also called heading element. Okay, h1, this is the start tag, and this is the content, and this is the end tag. If you will, this is this line is complete HTML element. Okay, nested HTML element. Nested means we can write multiple HTML element inside an HTML element. If you remember, we written basic structure of HTML. We written code HTML to start the HTML document. Inside that we created head section. Inside head we added title tag. Inside the body tag we added two more HTML elements. In this way we can write HTML document with nested HTML element. Yeah, this is the simple. This is the HTML of a start, this is the closing, this is the body of the start, this is the closing, and this is these two h1 and p1 is written inside the body. So this is a small example of the nested HTML element. Key points should be remembered so that you will not make this kind of mistakes while writing your code. HTML is not case sensitive, but the standard practice is to write all HTML tag in the lower case. Your content will be in uppercase, lowercase or capitalized in any format, but all HTML element must be in the lower case. Okay, never skip the end tag. Like we having two types of tag, a paired tag and the empty tag. Empty tag is what it doesn't need to close. Okay, but pair tag needs to close. We'll discuss and we'll work on the each tag, pair tag and the empty tag in this video. But this is the something about the empty tag and the pair tag. Pair, if the tag is paired, then please don't skip the end tag. HTML attribute. All HTML element can have attributes. Attributes provide some additional information about the element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attribute usually comes in the name value pairs. Okay, what does it mean? Let's see the next slide. Yeah, this is the HTML attribute is used for some additional information about that tag. They, as you may see here, a, this is our tag. Okay, this is the href, this is the attribute, and the whole this thing is a value. Okay, if I want to set some extra properties for this or this HTML element, then we can specify that attributes with some value so that it will show some additional information and it can organize accordingly. Okay, that's it about definition. Let's move to the coding section. Yeah, in the previous session we developed a simple HTML page using this code. So as you may see here, h1 is a HTML element, p is also element, this is h1 is a pair tag, so it will always close and open and close. All content will be written in between the opening and the closing tag. Okay, but we have some empty tag like br, that is used for break the line, hr for the horizontal line, like image, this is also empty tag, no need to break uh, uh, close explicitly. Okay, so let's write one more paragraph. I am going to write some text inside in between. This is session 2 of HTML tutorials by codes evidence, and I am saying thanks for watching. Okay, I made changes and I save this document. I am going to run into the live server. In the previous video I discussed advantage of the live server. Yeah, I added this paragraph in this video and it is available in your browser. So let's go back to this page and let's have a use of br tag. As I said, br tag is empty tag, so no need to close it. This is the empty tag, this is empty tag, no need to close it. And I made changes and I am going to look at the browser. Yeah, br tag is used to break the line. I written in between this paragraph, but I used br tag after the evidence, so it is breaking the line. Okay, this is the use of br tag, to break the line. I am going to add hr tag. Hr tag is also empty tag, no need to close explicitly, and it will add a horizontal line. Let's have a look in the browser. Yeah, it added one horizontal line. This was the HTML elements, pair tag and the empty tag. Let's add some HTML element with some attributes so that we can see the effect in the browser. I am going to add a tag, that is name is anchor tag. Inside I am going to write my portfolio. I want to write portfolio. Okay, if I am going to, yeah, you may see here, this is the simple text, but I want to make it as a link, href. This is the attribute for this anchor tag, and inside this I am going to specify some values. https md Shakil Ansari .in. This is a URL of my website. Okay, yeah, I made it as a link. If I will click on this link, yeah, yeah, it goes to this page. Oh, sorry, I committed mistake. HTTPS. It should be HTTPS. Okay, yeah, yeah. This is my website. So this is the simple example how to create a link. Okay, let's go back to the HTML page. Yeah, A is the HTML tag. Inside that I added href, that is the attribute, and attribute have some value. So I given URL of my website. Let's add another HTML element, that is img image tag. It is also inline element. Inline element means it will stay in the same line. If I'm adding with some other content, it has one attribute src. Src, it will take the value what I want to show to display. Okay, I added bg.jpg. Yeah, you may see here this bg.jpg file is available in this HTML tutorial folder. So no need to go and search anywhere. Just I'm giving the bg.jpg. Yeah, you may see here the image is loaded here, but this image is too big. But so that I wanna to control its height and width. Yes, I can control its height and width using the height attribute. I am going to specify height is equal to 500 and width is equal to 700. Let's have a look at the browser. Yeah, you may see here I can control the height and width of the image using the height and width element. Let's suppose I am giving the image name as bg.jpg. It's possible if it is not available or this file is missing, then what should it show? I am giving the wrong file name, then yeah, you may see here height and width is showing, but it is not showing the content, and it's not specifying what it is. So that we have another attributes alt. It will show the alternative text if the image is missing or file name is wrong. In any cases, browser fail to load that document. In that case, it will show this text. I am going to back right background image. Okay, have a look at the browser. Yeah, I specified the alternative text for the image. If image is missing, in that case this text will be appear, so that end user can understand, oh, this is the image for the background image. Again I am going to change the file name with correct file name. So you may see here now image is appear and the alternative text is disappear. Alternative text will appear only if the file name is missing or browser fail to load that file for the any reason, like a file name is missing or you misspelled the file name or something like. So guys, this is was something about the HTML elements with attributes. If you having any query related to this video or previous, you may write in the comment section or mail me on codesevidence@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.